Hello, respected judges, teachers, and fellow learners. My name is S. Kaushik. I'm a 12th grade standard from MLM Mamalan School, Kanjipuram, Tamil Nadu. Today, I'm very excited to present our vision for a secure and sovereign digital India, which I call it as Project Rito. A little about myself. I'm very passionate to learn about technology and to solve the real world problems with the help of my team. Our future goal is to start a tech company to do more innovative projects for our nation. In order to build a strong foundation, we are very much dedicated to learning core technologies like C, C++, Python, and even ARM assembly, which is essential for OS development. Before I start, I would offer an apology. My friend who is initially registered for this project with us is unfortunately unable to continue with this project. Let me discuss our project with the help of PPT.
Let's dive into the core idea behind our project Rito. Why does India needs its own sovereign operating system, especially now? As we stand on the brink of artificial general intelligence or AGI, imagine India's digital infrastructure as our nation's central nervous system. Today, the system runs almost entirely on foreign operating systems like Windows, Android, and iOS. This dependency is a strategic vulnerability. We don't control the core code, the security updates, or the fundamental design. We are effectively tenants in a digital house where someone else holds all the master keys. Now, introduce AGI, a powerful autonomous intelligence capable of learning and acting with superhuman capability. An AGI would not just be another user of these operating systems, it would be a master exploiter. Here's the critical national security risk. If a foreign developed AGI were to be unleashed, its first target for intelligence gathering or cyber warfare would be the world's most widely used software platforms, the very foreign OS that our nation depends on. An AGI could instantly discover and exploit hidden vulnerabilities in these systems at a scale and speed no human team could match. Potentially bypass all our layered security defenses because it operates from the very foundation we trust the OS itself. Access our most sensitive data from critical infrastructure and financial records to citizen information and military secrets by compromising the core of our digital ecosystem. Relying on a foreign OS in the AGI era is like defending a fortress whose blueprints and gate missions are controlled by a potentially unpredictable external force. Our project answer is digital sovereignty. By building our own secure, sovereign operating systems, Igris for computers, Aegis for mobiles, and Shaga for servers, we are not just making another piece of software. We are building a self reliant, verifiable, and defensible digital foundation for India. When we control the code, we control our security. We can harden our systems against AGI level threats, verify there are no backdoors, and ensure that India's digital future is secured by India's own hands. In the coming age of AGI and sovereign OS is not just an option, it is our fundamental shield for national security. So, what is Project Rito? It's a common question. The simple answer is that it's a new digital identity system, but that does not capture its true transformative vision. Think of it instead as building a national chain of trust for our digital future. Today, when you go online, security is fragmented. Your phone's OS is from one foreign company, your social media apps from another, and the bank server software from a third. There is no unified, secure foundation we can truly trust. Project Rito solves this by integrating four sovereign systems into one seamless ecosystem, the device foundation. Igris and Aegis OS are India's own security hardened operating systems for your computers and mobile phones. They replace foreign OS, giving us control from the ground up. The digital identity. The Rito protocol is your secure digital identity built directly into your device hardware. It's not just a card, it's a part of your phone or computer. The national backbone. Shaga OS is our sovereign operating system that runs all government and banking servers, creating a secure, high performance backbone for their entire nation. The device identity. Finally, IEDA gives a unique, verifiable identity to every single internet connected device in India from your smartphone to your smart TV. So, how does it work for you? This chain of trust means that when you log into a service, your bank, social media, or government portal, your Rito identity securely connects your verified device to that service. The platform knows you are a legitimate, verified user without needing your personal data. A logical question is why build our own OS instead of using a secure version of Linux? In the age of AI and AGI, the answer is sovereign control. We cannot defend our digital borders on a foundation controlled by others. This is why we made a strategic choice following a proven path. We selected FreeBDS as our core, the same Unix based technology that Apple uses for its Mac OS and iOS. This gives critical advantages such as powerful and strong foundation. In FreeBDS, there is an built-in security system such as Jail Mac, which provides stability and secure foundation for our OS. Right to modify and distribute it. Its license allows India to create closed, defense grade security modules, a necessity for national security that restrictive Linux licenses forbid. AGI resilient. Its cleaner architecture is easier to fortify and audit against advanced AI threats, ensuring our digital infrastructure remains under our control. The impact of Project Rito on India would be transformative, securing our digital future across three critical fronts. First, national security and sovereignty. For the first time, India would have complete control over its entire digital stack. Second, economic growth. Rito would ignite a multi-billion dollar domestic industry. It creates a advancing cybersecurity, fostering a new generation of Indian tech leaders and entrepreneurs. And third, social safety and inclusion. The project should drastically reduce cybercrime, online fraud, and harassment by ensuring accountability. To demonstrate a core part of this chain of trust, our team has built this functional hardware prototype. It shows the IEDA chip, the verifiable hardware identity that will be at the heart of every certified device, ensuring that every digital interaction in India begins with a trusted device. This is the first link in our national chain of trust. For this demonstration, we use two key components. First, the ESP8266 12E microcontroller. This is the brain of our prototype. It's a low cost, powerful chip that provides Wi Fi connectivity, allowing our device to communicate with the central server to verify its identity, just like a real smart device would. Second, the LCD I2C display. This is our simple and efficient display. The I2C part means it uses a minimal number of wires to communicate with the microcontroller, making it clean and easy to integrate. It clearly shows the outcome access granted or access denied, giving a immediate visual result of the verification process. Here, how it works. When a ESP is on, it generates a unique, unforgeable digital ID. It automatically sends this ID to a secure registration server via a dedicated API. The server verifies the ID against a trusted registry. Upon successful verification, the device is securely registered to a user's Rito account and access is granted. Finally, our prototype demonstrates a core principle. True digital security must be rooted in trusted hardware. This simple access granted signal is a microcosm of Project Rito's grand vision to build a national chain of trust from the silicon up. Why is this needed for India? Because our current digital growth rests on a fragile foreign control foundation, leaving our citizens, economy, and national security vulnerable. Rito is the sovereign alternative, an integrated ecosystem of our own operating systems, and a secure digital identity designed to eliminate fraud, protect privacy, and foster unprecedented innovation. Yes, the path is challenging, but the cost of inaction, continued cyber threats, and digital dependence is far greater. This project is a call to collaboration, a blueprint for a Viksit Bharat built on self reliance. As the visionary, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Sir inspired us dream, dream, dream. Dreams transform into thoughts, and thoughts result in action. Let us dream of a secure, sovereign digital India and together act to build it. For more details and deeper understanding of complete technical architecture, models, and roadmaps, please visit our website as mentioned here.